Let's upgrade this RK61. Let's start off by removing the keycaps. Now that we've got all the keycaps off, this thing's extremely dirty, so let's clean it. Now that we've gotten it decently cleaned, we're going to open the case up because there's a rattle. And sure enough, we have a missing screw right here. Well, that was causing the rattle. We also have a bunch of dirt and grime here on the PCB, so we're going to go ahead and clean that up too. We just have the case here. We're going to go ahead and clean it up. Let's put the screws back in. Now that the cases have been reassembled, let's put new switches in. Today's switches are going to be the ACO Creamy Yellow Pros. They're pre-lubed and we have 45 in set in 2 boxes. Here's the old switches. Here's the new switches. Let's start by removing all these switches. Now all the switches are out, time to put the new ones in. Here's the second box. We've got all the switches, some of the keycaps. The only thing left to do is put these keycaps on and then test it. Now all the keycaps are on and switches are on, we're gonna go ahead, plug it in with the new coiled cable we got. Let's test it. Overall, the upgrades to the keyboard are great, and it has a great sound.